been a slow day so far. Started out this morning and it was breezy, chilly. Worked the eastern shore for a couple hours with jigs and baby bass rapalas. Nothing. Came over here to the western dam and was able to dig one up on pumpkin grub with an orange jig head. So didn't get skunked, but so far just one today. And the wind's died down now. It's starting to pick back up again. It was howling windy yesterday. You know, the fronts come through in spring and maybe that pushes things down. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. So I'll work this dam for a little bit longer and then I'll go back over to the shoreline and try that again, see if it's picking up. Water temp was 59.5 this morning when I started here at Sand Hollow. Now it's at 61. So a little chilly this morning, but we're warming up now, and maybe the afternoon will be where the action's at. So we'll see. So here was the morning's lineup of lures: 5-inch white grub, craw, dinger, rapala, baby bass, another jig, and I finally was able to dig one up at the dam with this what is it? Pumpkin pepper, green pumpkin pepper, and orange jig head. So we're throwing a lot of things at them, and they just weren't going for it today. Like I said, wrong lures, maybe me, front coming through. Man, you name it, it could be it. Who really knows? But let's continue on and see if we can find a few more. This is Easter weekend, so the place is going to be a zoo. This is Friday for early morning, early afternoon now. I don't think I want to be here on the weekend. It's going to be crazy. Shoreline's on the eastern side over here. It's already filling up, so it's going to be a lot of action out here. Jet skis, boats, people everywhere. Maybe I'll go to Lake Powell. Fish on, fish on. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Whoa. Yeah. Here he comes. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. They coming up sluggish. Sluggish. Right. So that's two on this. They seem to be looking at that. That's nice. Nice bass there. Yeah. All right, off you go. So I'm in about 45 feet of water. Probably, I don't know, 30, 35 yards from the dam here. And I've got a couple now, so hopefully we're going to see a little more action. I'm going to reposition myself. We got a breeze coming out of the north here and it's pushing me along. So I'm basically just bumping the bottom as I go along, not really even reeling. I'm gonna give this another try, and then I might head over to the shoreline again. I'm gonna head back over to the eastern shoreline. I haven't had much luck over here now. It's kind of slowed down. Not that it ever really picked up. So let's move on. on them. There we go. Yeah. All right. Wow, look at that. Huh. All right. All right, we're just gonna work this bank a little bit. See if we can find another one. Slow day. Some are slower than others. This one was pretty slow. I'm out of time. I got to head back in. I got to get everything ready because I'm going to head to Powell tomorrow. So hopefully I can get a little more action there. So today, the green pumpkin seed 5-inch grub with an orange jig head seemed to be the only thing that worked for me. Actually, it didn't seem, it was the only thing that worked for me. As is, some days are better than others. It's just going to get warmer and warmer, and hopefully we are about to get into pre-spawn and the action will pick up. We will see. When I came in at the gate today, Friday morning, Easter weekend, it said that only 17 more inches to go before Sand Hollow is totally full of water. So the fish are definitely more spread out, and all the trees and bushes are underwater, which make great bass habitat. So as we get into later April and May, I think it's just going to be awesome out here. Anyway, D-Rock out. See you at Powell.